What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new here, I'm back again with another vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to blend your foundation or how to apply your foundation, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and please don't forget to hit that button, subscribe. Share this video as much as you can and like it, and please have your comments down below. And without further ado, let's get into the video. That's our frame. Let's frame the other side. So those are my frames, guys. Today I'm not going to use the pencil to shade them. I'm going to use the eyebrow gel. So let's get into shading. So after we've done our eyebrows, let's move in and clean them up. I decided to use a lighter concealer today in cleaning up our eyebrows. So now after we've had our eyebrows, we're now going to move in with the eyeshadow. I'd already concealed my eyelids, so I just move on with the eyeshadow. It's our first shade. For your eyeshadow to pop, if you want popping shimmer eyes, use a very bright concealer. I used a bright concealer, and then on top of the concealer where I've concealed, I'll now go in with the shimmer shade. That makes your eyeshadow pop. On top of where you had your bright concealer, move in with some shimmer eyeshadow. I'm using the gold shade. Yeah, that's how I did my lashes off camera. I have a video on how to fix your lashes, so please watch it. Yeah. So after I did the eyeliner and the lashes, we now move into the face. After your primer has set in, you now move in with the foundation. I'm using the Fit Me foundation. That's the Fit foundation. Yeah. So you can either use a beauty blender in applying your foundation or use a brush. Any can do, but I'm going to show you how to use both. So with the foundation, I'm starting off with the beauty blender. Make sure it's wet, damp. Dip it in water or setting spray, whatever it is, but the end goal is to ensure that it is damp or moist before you start doing your makeup. When it comes to the beauty blender, avoid dragging your foundation. Just tap it in until it's blended smoothly. So guys, this is what the damn beauty blender has done. Your makeup blends in so well. It's not cakey. On the other side, I'm going to use the brush, and let's see how it does. This is the brush, this is the foundation brush I'm going to use. Make sure that the bristles are tightly held together and soft. At the same time, they should be firm so that you blend in your foundation well. When it comes to the brush, when it comes to using the brush, still avoid dragging your foundation and tap it in. The brush doesn't have to be moist because the bristles are soft and very firm. Yeah, so there's hardly a difference between the beauty blender and the brush. Yeah, so move in with your concealer. You show places to conceal. Use minimal product. Set in your makeup. Set in your makeup. After we've set in our face, let's move in with a little bit of contour on our face. Don't forget to contour your forehead so that at least you can bridge that gap between your hairline and your makeup. Contour the nose as well. Yeah, the contour gives your nose a very, very good structure. I really love contours. Just look at that structure. Since you've now contoured, it's always necessary for you to highlight the nose. So I'm not going to highlight the rest of my face today. I don't want to tamper with the foundation. So let's contour our nose. So let's highlight our nose. That's all the highlight had to offer. The nose is perfectly structured. Yeah, with the highlight in the middle, and then you contour the sides, the nose. So lastly, you set in your makeup. Last but not least, move in with your lipstick. So today I'm going for bright shades. The eyeshadow, I went for dramatic lashes. I'm going to do a purple ombre shade. Yeah. So that's my first purple shade, and then I move in with the lighter purple shade. So that's our final look on the ombre, guys, and the whole makeup. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please keep subscribing, keep sharing, like, and comment down below on what you want me to do, your questions and everything else. So guys, bye. Thank you.